Hello, I am Gabriel Dirksen, and this is my personal goals video presentation. A little bit about me. I'm a father, I'm a husband, and a teacher. I have a wife, her name is Lori Dirksen. I have a daughter, her name is Hattie, she's 2.5, and I have a son, Briggs, who was just born in July. Have been a 5th and 6th grade math and science teacher for 8 years, going on my 9th at lacrosse. I've coached different various sports for 7 years. I am still the middle school head football coach, which I've done all 7 years. I am activities I enjoy. I'm a family man. I like hanging out with my family. I like being outdoors, hunting, fishing, and golf in the summertime, and then I enjoy yard work. I enjoy mowing, weed eating. I work for the city of La Crosse in the summer, and I spend my summers mowing and weed eating for them to make a little extra money. I'm from a family of educators. My father is Fred Dirksen. He's a superintendent of schools at Dodge City High School, or Dodge City School District, and before that he was at Sterling School District for long years. My mom is a special education teacher for 12 years, and then I have 2 sisters who also are teachers at Dodge High School. Some short-term goals I have is to complete this portfolio. I really want to get this done. Our school is on the last leg. They're year 5 of a state accreditation from the DLT committee, something I am on and very passionate about. And then to work on my roles as a president of Teachers Association. I was elected to the president role this school year, and I hope to keep that and further my administration roles as much as I can within this school district. So those are some year-to-year short goals I have. Some midterm goals. Once I graduate and finish my master's degrees, I want to pass a praxis test. I want to be a more vocal leader. Right now I have a lot of roles, but I don't speak out very much, so I am on negotiations this year. I'm the president of our Rush County Teachers Association, and then next year I will be the head of the DLT once we complete our year 5 and we restart our process. And then start looking and applying for principal positions in the next 5 years. That's kind of something I want to look at and start doing and try to advance myself as an educator. Some long-term goals I have is become an elementary principal. So within the next 7 years, I would like to have a principal job. I would like to start my superintendent licensure process after 3 years of being an administrator. And then I would like to have a positive impact on education in my school, community, and state. Just to be a positive principal and to have a good role with the community and all that. I mean, there's just so much right now with all the COVID and all the stress that schools are going through. You see so many administrators retiring or getting out of the job, and I want to make sure people know that education is important and to strive to be the best that we can be within our roles. And so that's something I'm very passionate about. Why Fort Hays? I chose Fort Hays because it's affordable. You can do it at your own pace. That was something I was kind of worried about with starting a family and doing it. I wanted to be at my own pace. Credible administration program. They have high accolades in that, and my father went through the same program for Fort Hays back when he became an administrator to get his license. So I just thought it'd be cool to go to the same place that he was, and it's close. La Crosse is 30 minutes from Hays, and so I could meet with professors and get to know them if I had to. I was kind of going through college. I did not like online classes, but it seemed to be very official, and the professors at Fort Hays are awesome, and Dr. Moody is one of the best. So that is my goals presentation for this e-portfolio, and thank you for listening.